It's been a while. I've been kind of MIA. So today I decided to do a quick little mini haul. I did go shopping at TJMaxx and the Dollar Tree, but I've had these packages for a while and I'm ready to put them away because I do have an upcoming wedding soon. And so I thought, why not film a haul? I didn't get much from TJMaxx. I did pick up a few things, and then I have a Amazon purchase in there as well. But the first thing I got were the Shiseido facial cotton pads. I love these, not just for skincare, but I also use them for my ghost palettes. So I'll sometimes cut them in half or sometimes in fourths. But yeah, love these. So I also picked up the Laura Geller the wearables. This is a 12 multi-finish eyeshadow palette. This one was only $7.99. I liked it because of all the neutral colors. And how great would that be for like a bridal look? So let me open it up really quick. So it does come in a hard case. It also has a mirror, which is awesome. I can't wait to play with this one. This is for me anyway. This is not for my kid. The last thing I picked up that I threw in this bag was from Amazon, and I just picked up an Embryolisse moisturizer. Since we're coming into the winter months, always going to need something a little bit more emollient. And this one is a go-to for a lot of makeup artists. And I used to use this way back when. I still kind of use it in my kit. I used to use these in my pre-prep skincare kits, but they no longer sell the little mini moisturizers. They also actually changed the packaging. Or the color anyway. It used to be like a white tube. Now it's like this cream color. I really don't like this metal tubing because they sometimes like open here on the sides, which drives me nuts. You got product coming out the top, but yeah, pick that up. So let's go ahead and jump into what I got from the Dollar Tree. I also threw in an Amazon buy in here too. So I'll start with the Amazon first. I just picked up some of my favorite lashes, the Baby Wispies. These are great for just adding like volume to your natural lash. So I picked up a 4-pack. Also from the Dollar Tree, I picked up some Ardell 425 lashes. So I got 4 pairs of those. And then I picked up 4 lash glues. Whenever I go there, I always pick up 2 because these are always good to have. You can add these to your touch-up kits. You can actually use these in your kit. But yeah, so I picked up a dark and a clear. But I also saw that they had these ones. They're the same thing, but like different packaging. But yeah, so I'll be adding those to my kit. The last thing from the Dollar Tree was another pair of Ardell Wispies. These are for me. I got the 142. Is that right? 142. So I did place a order with Hourglass. I just went ahead and repurchased some concealers. So I went ahead and picked up Bisque, Teak, Suede, and Sepia. So yeah, that was all I got from Hourglass. Let's go ahead and move on to Sephora. I kind of purchased a lot of the same thing. I got some foundations and then some lip products for my kit. Right now the foundation that I carry is the HD Skin. And then I really enjoyed the HD Hydra Glow. So I just went ahead and purchased all of the Hydra Glow as well as the HD Skin in the mini size. So all the mini size. Those are all my foundations for my kit. This is what I was going to be carrying this year. So I have the HD Skin for my oily beauties. I have the HD Hydra Glow for my dry skin, and then a mix of 2 is great for my combo skin. So that's what I picked up there. And the last things I picked up from Sephora were just 3 lip combos. I picked it up in the original Pillow Talk, and then Pillow Talk Medium, and then they have a Pillow Talk Fair. Yeah, that was everything. So come with me while I put this all away. I'm going to go ahead and start removing my old foundations, and probably going to move these powders over a bit so I can fit all of them in here, all of the new ones in here. Then we'll go ahead and add in back in my concealers.